Swazi, you ready? It's now just now to present now the check to from SportPesa now to Shabana for the partnership now. We're ready, I think yes, we're ready, and the head of operation of SportPesa Bernard is going to present now the check now to Shabana FC. It's a big check, that's why we're here. It's a big afternoon. Makofi for club, please. Wow. It's 75 million. Yes. 75 million shillings from SportPesa to Shabana. Wow. That's quite good. That's quite good money, no? Very nice. Thanks very much. Let's continue taking more photos and then I'll give you a sign to yes. 75 million shillings from SportPesa to Shabana. Pesa kubwa. It's going to help the club, you know? And the FKF Premier League that kicks off this weekend when Shabana do take on Bilko. Very nice. So now I'm going to take this chance now to request now, Bernard, you can depend on stage now, and the club officials now, and the chairman. We just form of photos. Bernard, the chairman. Yeah. Your Excellency, thank you a lot. Now you can take your seat. Very nice. Smile, pesa mingi, pesa kubwa. 75 million shillings, Kenyan shillings. Yes. Oh, you know check, please, Chairman. Bernard, please, you know check. Uliweka chini sana. Ionekane vizuri. Do you like it back? Okay, very nice. Yeah, thanks a lot. Very nice. That is now the check presentation from SportPesa to Shabana. And now we're coming to the end of the program, but at this point now, before we go to the vote of thanks, I would like to take only 2 questions from the members of the press. 2 questions. You can put your hand up and then I'll pick you directly for 2 questions because we are running out of time. And then we can have a vote of thanks and close this beautiful day. We also have a chance for side interviews with the club officials, the officials from SportPesa, and also our patron, His Excellency the Governor, Simba Arati. Do you have questions? I think Mark and G has got 1 question. We can take that one. And then we, so please, do you have a mic? Do you have a next microphone? I think you're audible enough. We can take it and then you can direct your question to who you want. Yes.
Good afternoon, everyone. Congratulations on the partnership. I'll go straight to the point enough. How will the partnership, now that we've seen it towards the 5 million shillings, how will it be broken down? You can get that explanation.
Thank you, Mark. I think that question goes to the head of operations at SportPesa, Bernard. Sorry? No, I think it was just that one. I think it was just